Chat Music. This is a channel where they take comments and they turn it into a song. So we can see, Bro can see in 360. Let's
so just jump here.
Jump in here and take a look.
So if you are sensitive to anything at all, you might not want to watch this part.
So the it's a very large man. His eye, he's got an eye that's looking.
His left eye's lazy.
Yeah, his left eye's lazy. His left eye's looking east.
He's been charged in a shooting. Is what the picture we're looking at here.
Left eye's looking east, and his right eye is looking north.
Yes.
So, So we'll see what the comments have to say.
Breaking news. A 40-year-old Baltimore man has been charged with murder after allegedly
tattoo
shooting one
teared on
man
his face.
and injuring another in
It's like
December
a
last
splat.
year. Now,
almost.
over to Chat Music for more.
That's hilarious.
An ICU.
Yeah. I get it. That's true.
Oh, dude. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. No. Blew the other way. I know it's going to roll.
Well. Yeah. It kind of was.
Oh, dude.
I like the dad joke. That's true. No. Man, I gotta tell you what, the retina scan to be hell for him, huh?
Oh my gosh. See, we had one more new short one.
Her pronouns are LBS and kilogram. Okay.
Oh, shnikes.
Yeah, we'll have to see. This one might not make it, but we'll see.
Dread medical appointments because of latent medical phobia. This OP appointment that I just went to, the provider was amazing. She asked me what my pronouns are. And then you ate her pronouns are obesity. Pronouns are all you can eat. And she identifies as hungry.
Oh, dude. Next level.
Next level. I can't. Yeah.
It's cholesterol gender. Oh my god.
It does kind of look like Andre the Giant.
Oh, dang. Oh, dude.
That was great.
Right, that's chat music, folks.
Chat music. Check them out.
Yeah. Give him a mic.
I want dread
Oh
medical
gosh,
boy.
no, not again.
All right.
All right.
Well, that's it. And on a light note, that's fun.
Yeah.
If you,
If
if you
you
made it
enjoyed
this far,
like, share, subscribe. Right.
thank you very much for making it this long.
Drop a
and
comment. Tell us how
drop a
stupid we are.
comment. Yeah, that's right. Hey.